Good evening, everyone. We're live at 6:47. Oh, the computer's acting a little funny here. There we go. 6:47. Battling for Shawn's AFA Imperial Commander, for which there are 10 spots. I'm going to copy our 10-spot list and take it over to random to find our winner. 1 through 10, going to roll the dice. Got to get at least a 5 to play. We got a 9. So we're good to go. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. Clint takes round 1. Steve 2. Clint takes round 3. Steve 4. Bill takes round 5 with number 10. Joe 6. Gary on top in round 7. Joe takes round 8, bringing us to the ever-important final round. Good luck, guys. Here we go. And our winner is Clint Coma, win at number 1. Congrats, Clint. Here's the verification. ZKMJGR. Clint in at number 1 is Zvictor. I am done. That's 6:48 p.m. as seen there. One last time. There's the results. Congrats, Clint. See you next time, guys. Thanks.